Hi, Miss Mel. Good evening po. And, ayun. I have few questions lang po. And, my first question is, as a supplier slash a CEO or owner of Romel Events Management and Services, stylist and host as well, how convenient po yung ingress po dito sa K1 Skyline?
Hi, my name is Ms. Romel Espera of Romel Espera Events Management and Services, and I can say that it's a very convenient sa aming mga suppliers na magkaroon ng ingress at magkaroon ng event dito sa K1 Events Place dito sa Parañaque. Napakabait na mga staffs and they know how to accommodate suppliers.
Alright, thank you so much, Madam. My second question is, would you recommend working with K1 Skyline?
Definitely, I do recommend having an event here in K1 Skyline Events Place dito sa Parañaque kasi maganda yung place. Okay, top view siya na makikita mo yung top view ng Parañaque and mabait yung mga staffs, malamig yung aircon, and hindi sila madamot sa comfort room. Okay? Share ko lang din kasi may mga event space kasi na medyo madamot sa comfort room, lalo sa mga suppliers na nag-ingress. And sobrang happy ko kasi hindi ako pinagsaraduhan ng comfort room ng K1 Skyline Events Place.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am, and we are glad to meet you po and hope na magkaroon po tayo ng event na magkikita-kita at magkasama-sama. And nag-enjoy pa ko sa hosting mo kanina, pati yung mga team mo po, very supportive sila, tas very din po, ang babait din po ng team mo. As in, parang feel ko, magkaka-vibes tayo pagdating sa mga events na yan. Once again, thank you so much po.
Yes, thank you very much. And we advise everyone na kung taga-dito ka sa Parañaque and Las Piñas to book K1 Skyline Events Place dito sa Parañaque dahil bukod sa napakaganda ng kanilang venue, napakaganda rin ng kanilang location, very convenient, malapit sa SM Sukat at napakabait ng mga staff. I am Ms. Romel Espera of Romel Espera Events Management Services. Mwah!